Welcome to Best Internet Dose.
The real wheel. The real wheel, as simple as it looks. The cart can hold over 195 pounds. This universal cart can handle any surface, whether mud, sand, stones, asphalt, snow, or dirt. No need to try packing everything in your hand simultaneously. The real wheel can do it for you. This wheel serves many functions, easily handled by a single user. Oh, did I mention that it has a refrigerator and a table attached? Yes, you can eat while on the go, and the cost of this all-purpose wheel is approximately $330. Enjoy cocktails even on the sandy beaches, as the table that is built in will keep everything clean and cozy. Real Wheels also comes with its own set of cup holders, so you can forget about spilling your drink when you decide to head into the water. Glove axe. Where were these gloves all my life? Imagine a single pair of gloves to take on all tasks. They never experience wear and tear and are extremely solid. Glove axe cannot be pierced no matter how sharp the object is, and they never break. The gloves feature dense palms and are waterproof. The rest of the hand has a comfortable fit and breathable and prevents sweating at work. Glove axe fits all the time perfectly and will never fall off. These elastic gloves handle any strain and come at the cost of around $29. Everyone should have a pair in their household. Costco shifter. This next invention you may need when you are unloading boxes, carrying luggage through the airport, or have some heavy lifting to do. Costco's brand has been a household name for over 75 years, and today they are still coming up with creative solutions to make everyone's life better. This time they created the Costco shifter. Elderly persons, women living by themselves, sometimes need a hand when one is not readily available. This handy tool will solve the problem for them, as they can transport over 300 pounds at once without harming themselves or the product. The better news is this cart can be folded to occupy little to no space. Store Costco shifter in the garage, closet, or the trunk of your car effortlessly. Then transform it into a 2- or even 4-wheeler when you are ready. Get this convenient gadget from $50 upwards and save yourself some heavy lifting. Taga 2.0. Finally, someone for the little ones. Me, Taga 2.0. This is a family bike that is great for entertaining you and the children in your life, while still being multifunctional with the ability to be used for various purposes. Sport around your pup or favorite animal. Go strolling in the park. This bicycle is excellent for it all. The e-brake has a massive front wheel, 2 children's seats, and a unique design that will fit any taste. Carry kids of 8 years in the Taga. This 3-wheel beauty is stable and can handle most terrain. If one is not careful, they would feel as if they are driving inside a vehicle. Taga costs approximately $869 and is equipped with a top speed of 25 miles per hour, Pro-Max mechanical disc brakes, and electric motors 250 watts. Vision Avatar. Look closely at the Mercedes-Benz Vision Avatar. This beauty was inspired by Avatar, a movie by James Cameron. In the film, the Avatar and his steed had an inseparable connection, and that is what the designers tried to recreate in this car. This imaginary connection caused Mercedes to create this futuristic and out-of-the-norm vehicle, unlike anything seen in the automobile industry. The glass doors on this car are movable, and the vehicle itself has over 33 aerodynamic parts, which are just outstanding. The Vision Avatar was built with stunning spherical wheels and, get this, lights that blink in sync with the driver's heartbeat. Like the newer models of vehicles, Vision Avatar can self-drive and illuminate the control cabin. Forget regular seating. Instead, there are 4 avatars like a hammock for seating, projecting holographic images. Of course, this car is environmentally friendly and materials used to make the inside are fully recyclable. The vehicle is electrically charged and gives off no toxins, and can go up to 470 horsepower. Let us know what you think of this car in the comments below. The walk-in wheels. We have something for everyone today, including your pups. Our next gadget is a wheelchair for dogs who have been paralyzed. This chair assists your puppy in getting back their freedom and livelihood. The creator of the walk-in wheel is the company called Handicapped Pets. This wheelchair was first introduced to the market in 2001 to assist dogs who are injured and elderly. They can now walk, run, and play just like any other dog without being limited by their disability. The walk-in wheel can easily be carried around, as it can be folded to fit anywhere in your vehicle. This wheelchair also has a patented push-button technology installed, which makes everything easier. You can get one for $149 to $429. Outstanding value for the mobility of pets, both large and small. Aina Ring. One thing is for sure, every day the world and technology become a little more in sync. Meet a smart ring known as Aina Ring. With this ring, you can start your car, pay bills, snooze your alarm clock with just a touch. But that is not all. This ring can also call a taxi, track your fitness, respond to your text messages, and answer your calls.
Hello.
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 Of course, this technology is patented, so one can only imagine what great technology will be created next. Shower feet. Well, I certainly like the name of our next gadget. Let's face it, trying not to slip while showering can be a tricky situation for elderly people and children. The shower feet help with balancing, giving your feet a firm hold to the bathroom floor. This flip floor-like slipper has suckers on the sole of your feet, so you are more comfortable with every step that you take. The thousands of bristles on the bottom offer a relaxing and spa-like wash. The pumice on the heel of the slipper will have your feet feeling soft as clean in no time. The shower feet are secure enough to give you a fixed hold in your tub, and the best part is, they only cost $10. Mellow. Next, we are talking about Mellow, a modern kitchen appliance that cooks while you are otherwise engaged. You could be sleeping or cleaning, and have Mellow prepare a delicious meal. While this may take several hours, you can be sure that Mellow will get the job done. The food is lowered into a bag and then placed in the Mellow bowl as it fills with water. Use an app to control the entire cooking process, and just like that, you have something tasty on your hand. The water in the tank does not boil up, but keeps the temperature constant so food is fresh no matter how long the process may take. The cost of this helper is only $400 and is used and recommended by the best chefs worldwide. Your food is never overcooked or undercooked, but will come out just right all the time with all freshness. Maybe you should try the Mellow. Wow, is this really the end? It was great having you stop by. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content like this one. See you next time.